Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to take you on a journey through the world of modern and stylish kitchens. Whether you love to cook, entertain, or simply spend time with family and friends, a well designed kitchen can make all the difference. We will explore the latest trends, innovation ideas, and expert tips to help you to create a stunning culinary space that reflects your personal style. So let's dive in. A modern kitchen should seamlessly blend aesthetics and functionality. We start with sleek design elements that create a clean and inviting atmosphere. Cleanliness, minimalistic, and cabinets and hidden storage solutions are all the rage. Think handle-less cabinets and soft closed drawers, giving your kitchen a clutter-free appearance while optimizing space. Now let's talk about the heart of every kitchen, the appliances. Modern kitchens embrace cutting-edge technology to make your cooking experience effortless and enjoyable. Smart appliances like touchscreen ovens, induction cooktops, and Wi-Fi enabled refrigerators are becoming must-haves, allowing you to control your kitchen from your smartphones and even get cooking recommendations. To add that wow factor to your kitchen, you need the right lighting. Statement lighting fixtures not only illuminate the space but also act as eye-catching centerpiece. Pendant lights above the kitchen islands, LED strips under cabinets, and recessed lighting can all elevate the ambience and make your kitchen look like it's straight out of magazine. Gone are the days of bland and boring kitchen color palettes. Modern kitchen embrace bold and vibrant colors along with innovative materials. Consider using bold hued cabinets, patterned backsplash, or even striking countertop choices like marbles or quartz. Mixing and matching textures can create a captivating and contemporary look. One of the key elements of a modern kitchen is a multifunctional kitchen island. Not only does it provide extra countertop space for meal prep, but it can also double as a breakfast bar or a casual dining area. Incorporating additional storage or even a wine rack can make it even more versatile and practical. As we strive for a more suitable future, eco friendly practices gaining popularity in kitchen design opt for energy efficient appliances, recycle friendly materials, and sustainable woods for your cabinetry. Also, consider adding indoor plants to your kitchen not just for aesthetics but for improved air quality too. An excellent way to add personality and style to your modern kitchen is through open shelving and display areas. Instead of traditional upper cabinets, consider open shelves to add showcase your stylish dinnerware, colorful glassware, and decorative pieces. It not only adds a touch of sophistication but also makes it easier to access your most used items. Technology isn't limited to just appliances. In the modern kitchen, there is a plethora of high tech kitchen gadgets available to streamline your cooking process. From smart kitchen scales that provide precise measurements to smart speakers that read out recipes while you cook, these gadgets can make your culinary journey more efficient and enjoyable. A well organized pantry is essential for a modern and stylish kitchen. Embrace the minimalist approach with well labeled containers and pull out shelves to keep everything in its place. Not only does it make your kitchen look tidy, but it also saves your time when searching for ingredients while cooking up a storm. To truly make your kitchen unique, incorporate personalized accessories that reflect your taste and style. Consider adding custom made drawers, dividers, unique cabinets, handles, and even a magnetic knife rack to add a touch of personality. It's these small details that can make a significant impact on your kitchen's overall aesthetic. In this digital age, there are various smart kitchen organization apps available to help you to stay on top of your grocery list, meal planning, and recipe collection. These apps can sync with your smart appliances and provide you with innovative ways to stay organized and inspired in the kitchen. Creating a modern and stylish kitchen is all about infusing your personality, embracing technology, and focusing on functionality. From sleek design to cutting edge appliances, bold colors to eco friendly practices, there is a plethora of options to choose from. Remember, your kitchen is not just a place to cook, it's space where you can let your creativity flow and share beautiful moments with your loved ones. In modern kitchens, smart storage solutions play a crucial role in maximizing space and keeping the area clutter free. Explore innovation ideas like pull out spice racks, corner carousels, and vertical dividers for cutting boards and baking trays. Utilize every nook and cranny efficient to create a well organized and functional kitchen that's a pleasure to work in. Modern kitchens are seamlessly integrating technology into their design, making tasks more efficient and enjoyable. Consider adding a built-in table or a touch screen display for accessing recipes, watching cooking videos, and managing your smart home devices, all from the kitchen hub. This convergence of technology and culinary artistry is reshaping the way we experience our time in the kitchen. The kitchen backsplash offers a fantastic opportunity to showcase your creativity and style. Modern kitchens are embracing unique backsplash designs such as geometric patterns, mosaic tiles, or even digital printed images. A captivating backsplash can become the focal point of your kitchen and tie together the entire aesthetic. While designing your modern kitchen, don't overlook the flooring. Eco-friendly flooring options like bamboo, cork, or reclaimed wood are gaining popularity for their sustainability and natural appeal. They not only add warmth to your space but also align with the green movement, ensuring the kitchen is both stylish and environmentally responsible. Multi-zone kitchen layouts are a hallmark of modern kitchen design. These layouts create designated areas for cooking, prepping, and even socializing, making your kitchen more functional and versatile. An open concept kitchen that seamlessly blends with the dining or living area is particularly sought after for its contemporary and inclusive feels. We hope this video has given you plenty of ideas and inspiration to embark on your kitchen design journey. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with the others who might be looking to revamp their kitchen. Stay tuned for more exciting content on interior design, home improvement, and lifestyle. Thanks.